Hey guys, this video I have 10 Home Depot deals to share with you. Some really good stuff for this video. We're going to use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see those boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future deals. These things tend to sell out. Promo codes get killed. You never know what's going to happen. You want to be the first to know about them. First one I want to share with you is the Milwaukee M18 6-tool combo kit with 2 batteries. Normally $9.99 down to $3.99. Now, if we look at it, these are older tools, but still the M18 Milwaukee lineup. You're getting 2 4-amp-hour batteries and the drill, impact driver, light, oscillating tool, angle grinder, circular saw, 2 batteries. That's 8 total pieces for $3.99, about $50 a piece. Really hard to beat that, and even old Milwaukee stuff is better than a lot of other brands, and it gets you into the lineup so you can get some other Milwaukee M18 stuff. So $3.99, normally $9.99 on this 6-tool combo kit. Milwaukee hand tool deal for you, the 7-inch Rafter squares, the speed squares. It's going to be a 2-pack, normally $40, but they are half price down to just $19.97. See, a bunch of these are currently in stock. You got to have one of these. Probably need a backup because you're going to lose it. Can't find it when you need it. $19.97. Deal for the Ryobi fans out there. We got the 18-volt cordless 4-inch clamp fan, normally $30, saving $10 down to $19.97. 2-speed fan, you can clamp it onto a 2x4 or whatever you have. Keep you cool in the summer. Taking your 18-volt batteries, part of the One Plus system. Lots of those also available right now at $19.97. Another Ryobi deal for you, the 18-volt cordless lighting combo kit. You get the LED magnetic task light, the LED spotlight, and the flexible LED clamp light. Normally $194, that sounds excessive, down to $69 as a special buy. Also have another thing I'll show you with this light here, but I really like this flexible guy. It's probably not the brightest thing in the world, but it can get into tight spaces, nice and compact. And, of course, you got your spotlight, your little searchlight. You go out in the yard. I don't know, maybe you dropped your keys out there or something in the dark, searching around. Ask me how I know. I actually dropped mine in the snow, which was even worse. Actually, if we want to get technical, I dropped them in the snow, then ran them over with the snowblower, didn't realize it, and threw them into the yard into a bunch of snow. That was fun. Really love this one. It's a price drop for the Ryobi Days deals. And I have 2 different variations I want to show you here. So it's the 18-volt high-performance kit with the 2 4-amp-hour batteries and the 2-amp-hour battery. Plus, you're going to get the cordless compound miter saw, which I love. Was $388 down to $179. So you're getting 2 4s. You're getting that too. But then you get the miter saw. So it dropped in price. Was $199 when it first came out, down to $179 now. Getting 3 batteries plus the tool. I love the cordless miter saws. I have I have one corded and one cordless. And this will do 90% of what you need it to, plus it's light, it's more portable, you don't have to worry about having power. These batteries last actually pretty long because this is just like a circular saw on a stand, essentially. So $179. Now, here's the thing. The other version or variation of this deal is right here. I'm going to link you to both of these because you can see $179 as well. Also, look at this little clearance bubble. You're going to see it in some stores on clearance down to $161.10. You're still going to get your free item. So if you open up this page, check your local stores and see if you even... I don't know what the cheapest is. I didn't even know there was a clearance option, but you might even find it cheaper than $161. I might have to go out to Rockford at this price point and pick it up, get myself another miter saw. But the reason I wanted to show you this variation is if we look at the free tool options here, you see we have 19 different free tool options. Whoa. We didn't want to do any of that. Let's get back to where we were. Didn't mean to click, just wanted to highlight. So anyway, we have the blower there, the little scrubber, hedge trimmer. You guys can see what's all here. I wouldn't go with the batteries. It's not a great value compared to some of the other stuff. But as we scroll through, you notice the miter saw is not here. The nailer would actually be an awesome pickup. That's a really good value for this deal. That might be the way I would go. But you'll see there is no miter saw listed here at all anywhere. So it's really weird that technically the miter saw is part of the sale, but if you were just looking at this page, you would never know it because they don't include it in that list for whatever reason. So you have a couple more days. This goes through August 2nd, so you have a few days to take advantage of this. Of course, you can buy online, pick up in store, have it delivered to you for free, but down to $179. I'm guessing since they reduced the price, maybe this didn't sell out as well as they had hoped. But check your stores. It's at least worth the click to see if you have it in in-store clearance, because that'd be super nice. Next up, we got a GearWrench deal for you, the 8, 10, 16-inch indexing head pry bar set. It's a 3-piece set, normally $94.99 down to $59.97, so about $20 a piece. I think it's this set. It's GearWrench, and it's a 3-piece set that's indexing, although mine doesn't have like a chromey look right here, so I don't know if it's the same model numbers or they've just updated it since I bought it. I really love these type of pry bars. Little push button here so you can swing the head all the way back or forward. Gives you a lot more options when trying to pry on something. I mean, how many times you put a pry bar in something and you're hitting the fender or wheel well somewhere or some other objects in the way and you can't pry like you want to. But when you can adjust these heads, it really gives you a lot of flexibility. Now, my larger one, I've really leaned on that thing. I've kind of beat the hell out of it. And I will tell you, the head of it has gotten pretty loose where it kind of flops around a little bit, but it still locks into place, and I haven't managed to totally break it. So it still holds its position, but I've gotten it a little goosenecky, a little wobbly. $20 a piece, $59.97. Ridgid, we got the 18-volt cordless inverter kit. You're getting the 2 amp hour battery with the inverter, normally $268. Again, another one that seems a little bit overinflated to me, but down to $79. If you're in Ridgid's lineup, it's great to have these little inverters. Not only do you have the USBs, looks like regular USB-As, the old school ones, and then I think that's a USB-C. It sure looks like it down there. And you have the outlet, and then you also have a light. So you're getting a lot of stuff out of it. I wish it was better than a 2 amp hour battery. Of course, you're getting the charger as well. If that was like maybe a 4 amp hour, oh, it is a USB-C port. That's what it looked like. If it was like a 4 or something, that would be really amazing. I don't know if it should say somewhere. Oh, it's 175 watt on the inverter, so it can power quite a few things. But your 2 amp hour battery, light, USB ports. Now, a couple of these are going to be deal of the day deals. I saved them for the end so people who are watching after today aren't bombarded immediately with deals that have already expired. But if you're watching this on July 30th, this DeWALT deal I really like. It's the 5-tool combo kit with 2 5 amp hour batteries, and that's the DCB 118 fast charger. So that's the most expensive charger. This is really a premium kit, and it's 38% off. Normally $949 down to $590 for 5 tools and 2 5 amp hour batteries and the fast charger. You'll notice these are, I was going to say all XR tools. I don't know if that one is. I don't know if they're reciprocating saws. I think it's just brushless. But you're getting the hammer drill, circular saw, 7 1/4 inch, impact driver, the 2 5s, the oscillating tool, and that's an 8 amp output, so about 45 minutes or so, and you'll have those 5 amp hour batteries totally charged up for you. So a really good kit at $590. Either upgrade some stuff, fill in gaps of tools you don't have, maybe put on Facebook Marketplace the redundant pieces or ones you don't want, make some of your money back, split the purchase with a friend, hell, I don't know, but I think it's a pretty good deal. We also have the DeWALT MAXFIT Ultra 1/4 inch hex steel screwdriving bit set. It's a 60-piece set. It's only $5 off. Normally $25 down to $19.97. But I like these tough cases, and I like these little cases within them better than the rails. When we're doing like insert bits, I'm not a huge fan of just row after row of those small little rails. So I like these boxes much better. You can throw all your bits in there and pop it open, take this little thing with you. And then, of course, we have our socket adapters, bit holders, nut drivers, the longer 2-inch bits with their little flex torque area there, whatever they call it. And then this nice long extension. It's really handy to have in certain scenarios as well. So it's a nice little set. Of course, the tough cases themselves are all modular and stackable. They interlock with each other. So once you get into the lineup and you get the drill bits and the different drive bits and all the things, it's pretty nice to have. So $19.97 on that set there. Another one that's a deal of the day. Again, you got to be here on the 30th to take advantage of this one. The Milwaukee M18 quarter sheet sander with a 2 amp hour battery. That's normally listed as $259 and is down to $129 for today only. So you're getting that sander, free little battery to go with it, 2 amp hour battery on your quarter sheets, variable speed. Got the dust collection guy, which theirs is actually fairly decent. Some of them leak like a damn sieve. I swear, you turn the thing on and all the dust just goes flying. It's like, oh, I'm glad I got the little bag on there, but no, theirs is actually all right. You can see the tool only without getting a battery right now is $149. So you're saving money just on that and then getting the battery. And wow, look at the 5 amp hour battery. It went $349 to get the kit with a 5 amp hour battery. That seems expensive. Don't like that. So there it is, guys. 10 Home Depot deals. Again, using the YouTube shopping link, so you'll see those boxes popping up throughout the whole video. They're also linked down in the description down below, little boxes down there. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss the next amazing deals. Got them coming out all the time, several times a week. Also, check out my website, TheStruggleville.net. Super quick, all the deals that I found in this video are on my website. If you go to the Home Depot tab and then click the button for the best Home Depot clearance and discounts, this updates every single day. You can use the search bar, you can go by brand, or you can just look at the top 100 list. So like this light that we saw earlier, again, part of the Ryobi Days deal. This one dropped as well. Was $99 down to $79. I probably should have included it in the video. Maybe I'll add an extra tag at the end to this. Let me open this up so I don't forget to do that. I'll tag this product, and then from there you can find the other Ryobi Day deals for that 2 battery set. But you can see a lot of really good discounts. Now, it's set up that it's supposed to remove things that are out of stock. But for some reason, Home Depot's done something goofy where they've added this graphic to some of the items where it says, well, while supplies last. And when those go out of stock, for some reason, they're still getting incorporated. So you're going to see some of the things, especially with that logo right there, that are out of stock that are still popping up. But you can see how good some of the deals were. I mean, these were in stock at one time at this price. The 4 tool with 2 3 amp hour batteries for $180. $34 for the sander. Well, I'll throw that last link up for you guys on the other Ryobi Day deal, because it did drop $20 as well, and you're still getting the free tool and 2 batteries instead of 3. They're more of the economy, cheaper tools compared to the one that was $179, but still worth the look. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.